The first book we have is Verity. This one is a psychological thriller novel. The book is filled with shocking twists, dark themes, and a tense atmosphere that keeps you hooked until the end. It is a must read, and I'd like to give it 5 on 5. The next book we have is Lela. It is a supernatural story with a lot of suspense. The book explores themes of love, loss, and the paranormal with unexpected twists that keep you guessing. The third one we have is Girl on the Train. This is a psychological thriller that explores themes of memory, obsession, and deception. The novel is full of twists, tensions, and complex characters, making it an engaging, darkly suspense read. The fourth book we have is A Thousand Splendid Suns. This book follows the intertwined lives of Mariam and Leila, two women of Afghanistan. It is a heartbreaking yet hopeful tale that leaves a lasting impact. The story explores themes of love, sacrifice, and friendship. It is a must read novel. The last one we have is The Silent Patient. It is definitely one of the best novel. I'd like to give it 5 stars because of the smooth plot twist written by Alex. This one novel has a great story of a woman who murdered her husband and gone silent. But this is not the actual story. To know the actual one, you have to read this novel. This novel is incredibly written in very smooth language. These are the books I reviewed in my video. All the books are really amazing and you must give it a try.